Are you dreaming of a worry-free retirement? The ultimate 3-step guide to financial freedom. Join us as we break down the key steps you need to take in order to achieve your retirement goals and enjoy a secure future. The average amount of money that people retire with can vary significantly depending on various factors such as country, income level, savings habits, and access to retirement plans. It's important to note that average retirement savings can be influenced by outliers. Some individuals may retire with substantial savings, while others may have very little saved or no retirement savings at all. Furthermore, averages can be skewed by high-income earners who have larger retirement savings. That being said, let's consider a few data points from different sources. In the United States, according to the Economic Policy Institute's 2021 Retirement Inequality Report, the median retirement savings for all working-age households, 32 to 61 years old, in the United States is $21,000. However, when looking at only households with retirement savings, the median amount is $69,000. In the United Kingdom, the Office for National Statistics, ONS, reported in 2021 that the median pension wealth for individuals approaching retirement, age 55 to 64, was £197,500. This includes both private and workplace pensions. In Canada, the median retirement savings for Canadian households, as reported by Statistics Canada in 2021, is approximately $200,000. It's important to keep in mind that these figures represent averages and medians, which means there is significant variation among individuals. Moreover, these figures may not necessarily reflect what is considered a comfortable or sufficient retirement fund for everyone. Individual circumstances and retirement goals can greatly influence the amount of money needed for a secure retirement. The amount of money needed to retire varies greatly depending on individual circumstances, including lifestyle preferences, anticipated retirement age, expected lifespan, healthcare costs, and inflation. There isn't a one-size-fits-all answer to this question. To estimate how much money you need to retire comfortably, you can consider the following factors. Expenses. Calculate your expected living expenses during retirement. This includes housing, food, utilities, healthcare, transportation, travel, and any other costs specific to your lifestyle. Here you can use the rule of 300. Multiply monthly expenses by 300 and that's your retirement amount that should be invested. Retirement duration. Estimate how long your retirement may last. It's better to overestimate to ensure you have enough funds to sustain you throughout your retirement years. Inflation. Take into account the impact of inflation on your expenses over time. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money, so you'll need to factor in the increasing cost of living. Social Security and pension. Consider any potential income from Social Security or a pension plan, as this can offset a portion of your retirement expenses. Investment returns. Determine the rate of return you expect to earn on your investments during retirement. This will depend on the asset allocation, risk tolerance, and prevailing market conditions. Once you have a clear understanding of your expenses, duration, inflation, and potential income sources, you can use retirement calculators or consult with a financial advisor to help you estimate the amount of money you need to save for retirement. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific situation and financial goals. Before we dive into more details for each of those 3 steps in the video, please don't forget to support our channel, subscribe, like, and feel free to comment below. Step 1. Envision your ideal retirement lifestyle. Join us as we take you on a journey of self-discovery to envision your ideal retirement lifestyle. We'll help you explore your passions, interests, and aspirations, allowing you to create a crystal-clear vision of how you want to spend your golden years. From travel adventures to pursuing new hobbies or even starting a small business, we'll guide you in crafting a retirement lifestyle that aligns with your dreams and values. By gaining a deep understanding of your desires and aspirations, you'll set the foundation for a retirement that truly brings you joy and fulfillment. Step 2. Create a solid financial plan. Building a rock-solid financial plan is crucial to turning your retirement dreams into reality. We leave no stone unturned as we walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive financial plan tailored to your unique needs. You'll learn how to assess your current financial situation, determine your target retirement savings, and explore various investment strategies to maximize your wealth. We'll cover retirement accounts, tax-efficient savings vehicles, and diversification techniques to help grow and protect your nest egg. Step 3. Implement and review for success. It's time to put your financial plan into action and make informed decisions to secure your future. We provide you with practical and actionable advice on implementing your plan effectively. From smart saving habits to intelligent investment choices, we'll show you how to stay on track towards your retirement goals. Additionally, we emphasize the importance of regular reviews and adjustments, ensuring your plan remains aligned with your evolving needs and market conditions. We also highlight the benefits of seeking guidance from a financial advisor who can offer personalized insights and strategies. Don't let retirement catch you off guard. Take control of your financial destiny by watching the ultimate 3-step guide to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us. We hope you found the information valuable and empowering. Subscribe now and empower yourself with the knowledge, tools, and actionable steps needed to retire with confidence, security, and peace of mind. Your dream retirement awaits.